Let's bring in Citigroup airline analyst and managing director Stephen Trent. Stephen, great to have you with us.
Thank you, and good morning to you.
What are you expecting going into the second half of the year? I mean, Ed Bastian was so optimistic, particularly when he was talking about bookings into the fall. He said consumers continue to book to, Europe, for instance, through October.
Yeah, the group has been seeing very strong countercyclical demand. And, what your colleague said, I would say I largely agree. You have a very good combination of an evolution of post-pandemic demand, and you continue to have a dearth of capacity on a per capita basis, which, relatively speaking, is supporting pricing. I would say from a fundamental perspective, the main members of the group, such as Delta, are actually in stronger shape than they were 5 years ago. So I do think we will get back to those pre-pandemic valuation levels eventually, but maybe the street still needs 2 or 3 quarters of additional evidence.
A key part of the rise in the airline story, Stephen, has been the constrained capacity, as Phil had pointed out. Are there, and for airline investors who have been burned in the past, that's sort of the muscle memory that airlines get to the point where the demand is strong, they increase capacity. But walk us through why there might be some sort of just capacity constraints that the airlines themselves can't fix. It's not as easy this time around to just get an airplane out of the hangar and roll it out. I mean, there's, they're waiting for their new aircraft. There's also the 5G component to this that's making aircraft a little more scarce. Can you walk us through that?
Yeah, absolutely. So the group is waiting a long time to get new planes. So we've had supply chain issues on the jet manufacturing side. And while there are some public indications that there might be some improvement there, there is a long backlog. So, an airline ordering a new aircraft today could wait a couple of years before the new planes start to arrive. And as your colleague said earlier, capacity on a per capita basis is down and it's going to stay there for a while. The other thing that is making this difficult is the lack of pilots. And I think that kind of ties in with some of the drivers we're seeing currently in the service industry. Airlines are paying pilots to come and work for them. You just don't have enough of them. So the place where that's really created a lot of heartache is on the regional side mostly, but mainline as well. And it takes a while to train pilots, get the 1,500 hours of flight time, and finally get one of those guys, into a co-pilot seat in the cockpit. So that's not going to be fixed overnight.
Stephen, what's your top pick in the space?
On the U.S. side, Delta Airlines is our favorite one. And we would highlight, in addition to the very good international long haul it's seeing, the loyalty and co-branded card revenue has been robust and is continuing to move in the right direction.
Stephen Trent, thank you.
Pleasure.